stand back. There we go. Good evening. What is your name?
Ananya.
Sorry?
Ananya.
Olania. And where are you from?
India.
Olania from India, ladies and gentlemen. Now, Olania, in a moment, just step over there so everybody can see you, yes. In a moment, I'll introduce you to two of my very good friends. But before that, I've got something over here. Do you know what this is? What is it? Yes, it's a grape. Now, I want you to take the grape, smell the grape. No, don't eat the grape. Huh? Just take a smell. Any strong smell coming from the grape? There is a strong smell. Okay, let's try another grape then. Let's see. Okay, try this one. Any strong smell? No. Okay, that's because good grapes are odorless. So what you need to do with this grape is take the grape, hide it. Okay, just a minute. Here comes two of my very good friends. I'd like you to meet Tonga and Gabe.
Gabe?
You want to say hello? Okay, you look a bit confused. Do you know who is Tonga and who is Gabe? Yeah, I get confused sometimes because they look so much alike, right? Huh? Okay, let me help you. You see the cute furry one with the long tail on the shoulder? That is Tonga. You see the big scary one in the uniform? That is Gabe. Be careful of Gabe. He bites. Okay? Okay, now what we're going to do with the grape is we're going to take the grape, hide it in one of your hands behind your back. So that nobody sees it. Huh? Now once you are ready, you just put your hands out like that with the grape behind your hand. And not in your pocket, huh? In your hands, huh? Once you're ready, just put your hands up. Okay. Now what Tonga is going to come and do, he's going to come and sniff your hands to find the grape. When he's found the grape, he's going to gently tap your hand. You know what to do when he taps your hand? What? Open your hand. Okay? So after he sniffs, he will tap your hand. Once he taps, then you open. Okay? Do you know what's going to happen if you don't open your hand? Never mind. Okay, is Tonga ready? Okay, are you ready, Tonga? Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. I'm here, just put your hands out. Don't worry, Tonga is just going to smell your hand. Here he comes, sniff, sniff here, sniff, sniff there. Tap, open, open. Yes, and Tonga has got the grape. Good job there, Tonga. You are a little bit nervous, huh? Was that nice for you? Did you like it? Are you more confident now? Okay, for those of you who thought that was a lucky guess, we shall try this one more time. Okay? This time don't worry, okay? Just put your hands there, once he taps, then you open. Alright? Do the same thing, hide the grape first, yes. Once you're ready, put your hands up like that. There we go. Face this way so everybody here can see. Is Tonga ready? Oh, still chewing on the grape, is it? Small tooth civet means small mouth. Yes, Tonga, sometime today? There we go, okay. I think it's about ready. Okay, here he comes. Sniff, sniff here, sniff, sniff there, sniff, sniff here. Tap, open. It. And Tonga has found the grape. Thank you very much, Tonga. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, don't you think my brave young volunteer here did such a good job? Don't you think she deserves a reward as well? Yes. Why don't you put your hand out? I'm going to give you a reward. Put your hand out, I'm going to give you a reward. Okay, one hand enough. Yeah, I only got one hand. You can have a juicy grape as well. Thank you very much. No, come back. I'm just kidding. What are you going to do with your grape? Yeah, I know, very complicated question. It's okay. While you think about what you're going to do, I'll give you something else, okay? You can have a free scoop of ice cream from Ben & Jerry's. Oh! Much better, huh? Okay. Come on, how about a big hand for this brave young lady over here? Now, while civets, which are found here in Singapore and other parts of Asia, rely on their keen sense of smell